Hello, welcome back to 11 Plus PAG class. This class is for students preparing for the 11 Plus verbal and English examinations. Remember, SPAG means spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Today we are looking at relative pronouns. In our previous classes, we talked about pronouns and types of pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words used to replace nouns to avoid repetitions. Today on relative pronouns, we are taking some examples. And what are relative pronouns? Relative pronouns are words that introduce a relative or adjectival class. And the relative pronouns are who, whom, which, whose, and that. Let's take the examples under the types of relative pronouns. Who? I saw the girl who took Janet's drink. I saw the girl who took Janet's drink. Here, who is the relative pronoun. The next one is whom. The man whom you called is my uncle. The man whom you called is my uncle. Please be careful when choosing between who and whom. In this case, who is the best option here? Who is the correct relative pronoun to be used here? And in this second sentence, whom is the correct relative pronoun to be used. Let's move on to which. Ryan owns a house which has 4 bedrooms. Ryan owns a house which has 4 bedrooms. Which here is the relative pronoun suitable for this sentence. Let's move to whose. That is the woman whose daughter is a famous footballer. That is the woman whose daughter is a famous footballer. Whose is the suitable relative pronoun here. The last one is that. This is the shop that sells diving equipment. This is the shop that sells diving equipment. And here, that is the relative pronoun suitable for this sentence. In our next class, we will talk more on relative pronouns, their uses, and how to choose the appropriate relative pronoun in your grammar questions. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, keep studying. Bye.